Hello, my dear students. Welcome all students to my YouTube channel. Myself, Sri S.K. Suryavanshi sir, KBH Vidyalay, Malegaon, Camp, Nasik. Today, we are going to discuss about Maths Part 1st, Chapter number 1st, Linear Equations in 2 ways. We are going to discuss about Practice Set 1.2. Here, question number 1st, complete the following table to draw graph of equation. Here we have given some equations. Equation number 1st, x plus y is equal to 3, and here we have given a blank table. We fill these boxes with suitable order pair. Now first, for x is equal to 3 in equation x plus y is equal to 3, when we put the value of x in given equation becomes 3 plus y is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 minus 3, therefore y is equal to 0. Therefore the value of y is 0. Now put this value of y is equal to 0 in the box 0. Therefore the coordinates, that is order pair, is 3, 0. Next, for y is equal to 5 in equation x plus 5 is equal to 3. Now here we put the value of y is equal to 5 in given equation x plus y is equal to 3. When we put the value of y is equal to 5 in given equation, then the equation becomes x plus 5 is equal to 3. Therefore x is equal to 3 minus 5, that means x is equal to minus 2. Now here we put the value of x is equal to minus 2 in given table, that is in the box. Therefore the order pair is minus 2, 5. Next, for y is equal to 3 in equation x plus y is equal to 3, therefore x plus 3 is equal to 3, that is x is equal to 3 minus 3, therefore x is equal to 0. Therefore the value of x is 0. Next, the second equation is x minus y is equal to 4, and here is also we have given blank boxes. For y is equal to 0 in equation x minus y is equal to 4, when we put the value of y, then the equation becomes x minus 0 is equal to 4, that is x is equal to 4. Therefore the value of x is equal to 4. And second one, for x is equal to minus 1 in equation x minus y is equal to 4, when we put the value of x minus 1, then the equation becomes minus 1 minus y is equal to 4, minus y is equal to 4 plus 1, that is minus y is equal to 5, that is y is equal to minus 5. Now we put these values in table. X is equal to 4, therefore the coordinate, that is order pair, is 4, 0. Another one is minus 5, order pair is minus 1, minus 5. Okay. Now next, question number 2, solve the following simultaneous equations graphically. Here we have given equations. Two equations are given, x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 4. First we find the order pair for the equation x plus y is equal to 6. First order pair, for x is equal to 0 in equation x plus y is equal to 6. When we put the value of x, then the equation becomes 0 plus y is equal to 6, that is y is equal to 6. Next, for x is equal to 2 in equation x plus y is equal to 6. When we put the value, the equation becomes 2 plus y is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 minus 2, that is x is equal to 4. Next order pair, for x is equal to 3 in equation x plus y is equal to 6. When we put the value, equation becomes 3 plus y is equal to 6, y is equal to 6 minus 3, that is y is equal to 3. Now next order pair, for x is equal to 4 in equation x plus y is equal to 6. When we put the value of x, then the equation becomes 4 plus y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 minus 4, that is y is equal to 2. Now these order pairs we arrange in the table form. The table is, now x is 0, y is 6, order pair is 0 6. Next 2, y is 4, order pair is 2 4. X is 3, y is 3, the order pair is 3 3. X is 4, y is 2, the order pair is 4 2. Now we'll find the order pair for another equation, that is x minus y is equal to 4. In the same way, we put the value of x is equal to 0 in equation x minus y is equal to 4. When we put the value of x, then the equation becomes 0 minus y is equal to 4, minus y is equal to 4, therefore y is equal to minus 4. Next, for x is equal to 1, in equation x minus y is equal to 4, equation becomes 1 minus y is equal to 4, minus y is equal to 4 minus 1, that is minus y is equal to 3, that means y is equal to minus 3. Another, for x is equal to 4, in equation x minus y is equal to 4, when we put the value of x in equation becomes 4 minus y is equal to 4, minus y is equal to 4 minus 4, minus y is equal to 0, that is y is equal to 0. Next, for x is equal to 5 in equation x minus y is equal to 4, when we put the value, equation becomes 5 minus y is equal to 4, minus y is equal to 4 minus 5, that is minus y is equal to minus 1, that means y is equal to 1. Now we arrange these values in the table form. X is 0, x is 1, 4, 5. Value of y is minus 4, minus 3, 0, 1. The order pair is 0 minus 4, 1 minus 3, 4 0 and 5 1. Now we plot these points on the graph paper. Here we already arranged the order pairs in the table form. Now we plot the graph. This one is the graph. Take suitable scale on both the axes. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Now we plot the points. First point 0 6 here. Another one is 2 4, 3 3 and 4 2. Now we join all these points. Then this is the graph of equation x plus y is equal to 6. Now another equation x minus y is equal to 4. We already arranged in table form. Now we plot these points on the graph paper. First point 0 minus 4, 1 minus 3, 4 0, 5 1. Now we join these points, then it will become the graph of equation x minus y is equal to 4. Now here these two graphs are intersects in the point 5 1. Therefore point of intersection of two graphs is 5 1. Therefore the solution of equations x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 4 is 5 1.